I have a friend joining me today. This is my little daughter's puppy, Huey. Hello, Huey. And we want to show you this beautiful braid. It's called a hybrid braid. The great thing about this is it does not get fuzzy as the day goes by. So if you're tired of fuzzy braids, watch this video and learn how to do this. So I start by gathering all my hair to one side. I've already brushed it smooth. And I'm going to split my hair into two sections. Now you can do this braid behind your head, but just to show you the technique, I'm going to do it over one shoulder. So I have two equal sections. I'm going to split this section in two and cross it over to the opposite side. And now I have this side. I'm going to split it in two and cross this outmost section over to the opposite side. As you can see, it's basically a fishtail braid, but the sections are just bigger. So this side, I split it in two, take the outmost section, cross it over to the opposite side. And this one is already almost naturally split in two. I cross it over, split it in two, cross it over, split it in two, cross it over. And we're going to keep doing this all the way down. You can French braid this. I have done that in the past, but today we're just doing the simple braid technique so that you can hopefully get that down. Split it in half, cross it over, split it in half, cross it over. And here we are at the end of our braid. I have my ponytail holder. I'm going to tie everything off. And this is our hybrid braid, and I promise you this braid does not look fuzzy at all as the day goes by. In fact, it looks just as good in the evening as it did in the morning, which is what I love about this braided style. I'm just kind of tugging on the edges a little bit, make it look fuller. And that's it, my hybrid braid. I hope you like it. It looks like a regular braid, but there's just something different about it. Maybe hard to put your finger on, but that little something is what makes this braid not fuzzy. So I hope you try it out on your own hair and that you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give me a like, and I look forward to seeing you again on my next hairstyle video for long hair. Bye!